Hello everybody, let's glue book and my multicolored circle book and my little mini composition book. Well, today I have a lot on my desk because I was organizing and everything, and it's just so much that I need to glue down. So I have my scissors, I have these little glue. Beware if you're looking for this glue that you get. If you're looking for the large size, make sure you get the large size and not the small size. That you're getting the 1.27 ounce and not the little 0.26. Alrighty, let's get started. I gotta find a place to sit down. That's how bad this is. Gosh. And I pulled out this monstrosity from back in the day because I'm gonna use it as a flow book. You know, a flow book, they don't put those out anymore. So hurt. Or they don't put it out in English anymore. A flow book, it was a magazine that you got paper from, and you could use it in your projects. And a lot of people you'll see on Facebook, I guess, and stuff, flow. There was a flow, big flow craze years ago, but this isn't a flow book. But I made this glue book years ago, and I used rubber band to bind it together and string. And it's made from advertisements from magazine. You see. And so I may play in this or use different things from this, and I'll use it as a flow book because it's falling apart. As you can see, one of the bands broke, so some of the things are loose. So I think I'm going to start playing in this again, or using the paper. Oh, that's pretty. Using the paper from in here to put in my glue books and my creative journals as well. So we may play in here. I just have so much stuff that needs to be glued down. And did I knock the... And I just have so much on my mind. I just want to random glue. I don't want to think. I want to go back to when I don't want to think. And there's no rhyme or reason. And I'm just gluing down. Because you can see, even in this little one, I just tucked scraps of this and that inside of my book. And you know, that's how a glue book. Oh my gosh. It's just so much stuff. Oh. And I just, look. My little minis going on the side. I had this I want to glue down because it's tore up. There's so much stuff in this little space. And it's just time to glue it all down. And then something, I saw something on here that said inspire yourself. And I was like, gosh, that was a verse in the Bible that said encourage yourself. Sometimes you just have to encourage yourself. And if you could tell me what verse that is, I can't think of it right. Who said it? Who was it? Was it David? He had to encourage himself. There was nobody around. So sometimes that's right. You got to encourage yourself. And that's what I'm getting ready to do. If I could find some elbow room. Damn. We haven't worked in this book in a long time. So I am just going to get in here and just glue. Right? Because I just have so much to glue down. I'm just going to randomly just... Oh yeah, and I wanted to... I don't know if I'll be doing a lot of talking because, like I said, it's a lot on my mind. So I don't know if anything will be finished, or this would just be me just, like I said, randomly gluing things down. What happened to the glue? You know, just get a background for the next, for if I, when I come back in here again. I think I have a lot of pages where I just did that. Yeah, I know I like to sometimes use the image on the other side. I just, from a credit card, you know, gift card, book paper, magazines, cut aparts, little book pages. I really like how that page is coming together. And, you know, this is from a Trader Joe's bag. Favorite kind of glue booking is when I trashy glue book, because you just don't know what's going to come out. You're just putting this and that and everything together. It cut off before I could get, I don't know how much it got. But this worked for me today. Going back to my, as I was saying before it cut off, my junky junk journals, and just throwing down a whole lot of different things to see how it evolves, plopping down, as I said, plopping down a whole bunch of from a Trader Joe's bag, a coloring that I didn't like. This is a Christmas paper. This is from a paper bag, you know, a gift bag that broke into a paper. Magazines, book page, my scraps from my projects. I mean, everything is on here. I have a lot of stuff that's there, and I enjoy it myself. I'm gonna have to revisit and come back to my junky junk journal, because like as I was saying, I have a lot of things that I could glue down. Cause see, even here, these scraps that's left over, I could just start another page or finish another page. Alrighty, friends, thank you so very much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.